Santa Ana Park, the home of sports of kings, where racing is always at its best. Only one entry. Win the wind. All set now, ready to race. Race number 13. Away they go. Capretiosa win the win to grab the lead. It's now win the win followed by Capretiosa. Hallelujah. And racing in fourth by Doral, moving up, taking the third spot is Mr. Saber. Win the win by above 4 lengths, Mr. Saber. Alongside is Capretiosa, and racing in fourth by about 3 lengths is Hallelujah, Lola Curry. And to number 2, Gun with the Wind. And rounding the far turn, win the wind by above 6 lengths now. Mr. Saber in second, Capretiosa, Hallelujah, Lola Carrigan with the wind, Echo Mac. And as they swing for home, win the wind by about 6 lengths, Capretiosa in second, Mr. Saber, Hallelujah. And with the last 300 meters more to run, win the win, still the leader. And ring the last 100 meters more to run, win the win. And ring the finish line, better go down and collect, win the win. Hallelujah. Capretiosa, Mr. Saver, Lola Curry, emergency call.